Hey there, welcome to CounterTop Lifestyles, where we bring you quick, easy, and mess-free recipes for you and your family. Today, we're going to be making some mug pancakes. So if you are interested in this video, then keep watching. All information about this recipe and what I use will be in the description box below. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell so you won't miss out on any of our recipes. Okay, so for this recipe, you're going to need some flour, milk, baking powder, 1 egg, olive oil in the sprayer, some vanilla and honey for flavoring. You can also add a little bit of sprinkle of cinnamon or something like that, whatever you prefer. So the first thing we're going to do is spray some of this oil in the bottom of your container. Just spray some of this oil around your container, around your mug or whatever container you're using, and just get a nice even coat on that. Now we're going to add in the dry ingredients.
Cups of flour.
Yeah, flour. Flour.
Flour. And baking powder.
Yeah, and baking powder. Now we're going to mix the dry ingredients first. Okay. Yeah.
Gotta mix the garlic ingredient, and then we get to we mix the ingredients stuff.
Yeah.
And we make the ingredients stuff. Okay.
Do the egg.
Next, egg.
Yeah. Do the egg. You can do the milk.
Okay. Milk.
Good job. A dash of vanilla. About maybe 1/8 teaspoon. Just a drizzle of honey, about a teaspoon or so. Teaspoon of olive oil. Now it's time to mix it, and you can do this with a fork, but we're going to be using our electric whisk.
Alright.
And you see the liquid is liquidy?
Yeah. Wait for time to run down.
Now you want to put it in your microwave for 3 to 4 minutes. Start off with 3.
3. Wow.
Okay, it's done. Now just be careful taking it out of the oven because the mug or your container might be hot. And there what she looks like. So you just want to let it stand for a little while. Then take something and just loosen up the edges. Check the bottom and make sure that it's cooked. And there it is. This is what it looks like out of the microwave mug. You can also eat it in the microwave mug. So what I'm going to do is just slice it. Ooh, hot. So we have little silver dollar pancakes.
We honey wait on. And it's done. We make it pancake. And it's a fun pancake. And it's with honey.
And there you have it, 5-minute pancakes done in the microwave. Serve it with a side of bacon and some microwave scrambled eggs and cheese, which you can find the video to that in the description box below if you're interested in how we make it. And yeah, if you try this recipe, don't forget to tag us at CounterTop Lifestyles, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. If you have any requests, any comments, any feedback, please leave them in the comments box below, and I will see you next time. Bye bye. Okay, now Kiona's gonna try a piece. You like it? Yummy? All right.
You gotta get a try.